185 years ago, Joseph Wells founded Wells Fireworks here in Dartford. The company was so successful, it produced fireworks for the royal family, the Olympics, and even Disney. Competition from China became too much in the 1970s and the Dartford site closed, with Wells relocated to West Sussex, leaving this factory abandoned. More than 150 people were employed at the site and worked in the scores of huts which were deliberately not built close to each other to stop any fires from spreading. Inside, hints of the history of the site still remain, including this broken wall which has newspaper clippings from the 1960s. Greenwich University did buy the site, although we don't know who owns it now. Wells is still going strong today, specialising in pyrotechnics for shows such as the X Factor and Strictly Come Dancing. Having stood derelict for around 50 years now, it's unknown what the future of this former factory will be.